Jai Jagannath friends, welcome to JobSolve channel. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So let's discuss the current affairs of 21st April 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. The India High Commission in which country has organized a virtual roundtable COVID-19 meeting for business COVID-19 issue, challenges and way forward. So it was organized at United Kingdom. So some GK related to United Kingdom. United Kingdom capital is London. Its prime minister name is Boris Johnson and its currency is pound. Question number 2. World Heritage Day 2020 was observed on which date? So it was observed on 18 April every year. So what is the theme? This year the theme is shared culture, shared heritage and shared responsibility. Question number 3. The chairmanship of ASEAN, that is Association of Southeast Asian Nations, for 2020 is held by which country? So it is held by Vietnam. So recently the leaders of the 10 members ASEAN on Tuesday morning meet via video conference to deliberate a strategy to combat and observe the COVID-19 crisis and situation. So the headquarter of ASEAN is present at Jakarta, Indonesia, and Secretary General is Lim Jok Hoi Mon. Question number 4. Which IIT institution has launched the ward boat to deliver food, medicine to COVID-19 patient? So it is IIT Roper. So the boat will deliver food and medicines, and it has at least 12 cells and carrying capacity is 4 to 5 kg. Question number 5. Which country has stopped funding the World Health Organization over coronavirus failure? So it is United States of America. So according to United States of America, WHO fails for managing and governing of the spread of coronavirus. Each year USA is funding WHO the amount of 400 to 500 million dollars. Question number 6. Which state has given permission to restart over 27,000 industrial units in the state amid lockdown? So this is done by Bihar government. So some GK related to Bihar. Bihar capital is Patna. Its CM name is Nitish Kumar and governor is Fagu Chauhan. Question number 7. Spitting in public is now an offence under which section of the Disaster Management Act? So it is 51B Disaster Management Act, and this is done by Union Home Minister, who is Amit Shah. So under this act, if a person caught under spitting in public, so he or she shall be punished by 1 year imprisonment or fine or both. Question number 8. Which airline has become the first to launch the blood test of coronavirus patient for its passenger? So this is done by Emirates. So Emirates has launched a 10 minutes coronavirus blood test for passenger who are departing from the Dubai base. So some GK related to Emirates. Emirates was founded on 25th March 1985. Its headquarters present in Dubai, UAE, and president is Tim Clark. Question number 9. Researcher from Indian Council of Medical Research, IMCR, have found the presence of a different kind of coronavirus in which of the following species? So it is in rats. So ICMR was formed on 1911. Its headquarters present in New Delhi, and Dr. Balram Bhargav is Secretary and Director General of ICMR. Question number 10. Which IIM institution has developed a website COVID FYI, which is one of the which is a one-stop digital directory for COVID-19 related service and help. So this is done by IIM Kozhikode. So this website is a one-stop digital directory for all COVID-19 related services and help released by official sources. Question number 11. Moon Jae-in has won the presidential election in which country? So he was the president of South Korea. So some GK related to South Korea. South Korea capital is Seoul, and Korean Republic won is its currency. Question number 12. The India women's cricket team has qualified for the Women's Cricket World Cup 2021 to be held in which country? So it was going to held in New Zealand. Some GK related to New Zealand. New Zealand capital is Wellington, and New Zealand dollar is its currency. Question number 13. Louis Sepulveda, who passed away recently, was a renowned author. Question number 14. Which among the following has created the Team Mask Force video to spread awareness about wearing masks in public places? So this is done by BCCI. BCCI stands for Board of Control for Cricket in India. Its president is Saurav Ganguly, our Dada. Its headquarters present in Mumbai, and it was found on 1928. Its secretary name is Jai Shah. Question number 15. Which mountain in Swiss Alps light up the Indian flag in show of solidarity with India in its fight against the coronavirus? So this is done at Matterhorn. So some GK related to Switzerland. Switzerland capital is Bern. Swiss franc is its currency. Question number 16. CFTRI, Central Food Technological Research Institute, is located in which state? So it is located in Mysore, Karnataka. Why it is in news? Because it has made a high protein biscuit for COVID-19 patients who are under treatment at AIIMS, New Delhi. Question number 17. Which state has launched a helpline number 108 to address psychological issue during lockdown? So this is done by Telangana. So Telangana capital is Hyderabad. KC Rao is CM, and Tamilisai Soundarajan is its governor. Question number 18. Facebook, along with which Indian company, is exploring the possibility of building a multi-purpose super app? So it is a super app just like China's WeChat. So it is done by Reliance Jio along with Facebook. So Reliance Jio headquarters present in Mumbai. It was found on 15th February 2007, and Sanjay Das is its MD. Question number 19. World Liver Day 2020 was observed on which date? So it was observed on 19 April in 2020. So why it is observed? Because each year it is observed to spread awareness about the liver disease, which can be caused by hepatitis A, B, and drugs. Question number 20. Who has been appointed as the Cricket South Africa's permanent director for 2 years period? So this is former captain Grim Smith. Question number 21. Which of the following payment bank will now issue MasterCard debit card to its account holders? So this is done by Paytm Payment Bank. So Paytm headquarters present in Noida. Vijay Shekhar Sharma is its CEO and president. Question number 22. Norman Hunter, who passed away recently, was related to which field? So he was a football player. Question number 23. Jenny Deitch, who passed away recently, was related to which field? So he was a Oscar-winning film director, animator, and he is the director of the famous Tom and Jerry show and Popeye. So this is the current affairs of 21st April 2020. I will attach this PDF in the description box. You can go and download it from there. So thanks for your time. Stay safe at home and be happy. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.